Hey everyone, so on my Model 3 Performance, I am going to be swapping out the suspension, okay? That means removing the whole suspension, basically. So the issue is with the struts. Now, typically, I have removed the whole assembly, if you're familiar with this. I have removed these larger bolts. I believe it's these. I haven't done it on this car yet, but on my previous Model 3. And you have to, then this drops like the entire, this whole upper assembly here. And, you know, it's not that big of a deal, but the whole strut with that upper assembly, to get it out, you know, obviously you remove the wheel here, wheel and tire. To get all that out it's not that easy. It's not that difficult, but it's not that easy. So an easier method is to remove these bolts. However, they left this opening here, which is just slightly too small for, like, and it's a 13 millimeter bolt in there. It's like too small for almost all sockets. So what you could do is grind this down, find one, grind it down, make the walls a little bit thinner to get it in there. Or you can buy specialty sockets. There is actually one in the Tesla catalog that I saw. I think it's maybe $30 or so. There's some people who have pointed to a couple of them on Amazon that might work. However, actually this bolt here is also 13 millimeters. So if you know, a 1/2 inch also fits 13 millimeter, okay? You know, they cross like that. This is 13 millimeter. This is 1/2 inch. It's a little bit tight, but it actually fits better. Now this 1/2 inch doesn't fit. However, in my quest to find a thin-walled socket, I started looking at my 1/4 inch drives. They started with the 13 millimeter here. No good. However, my 1/2 inch, voila. The only issue is these aren't perfectly lined up. So like this one, for example, kind of locks in on the back side, but not the front. So we can do lightly tap it in. I haven't loosened this yet because I'm not taking this apart. I don't know why I'm even trying this part. Look at that. It's loosening. I can't remember what the torque spec is on here, but it's not high. So it can be done even with a 1/4 inch ratchet, let alone the socket here. And it wasn't that far off, right? Just light taps to get it in. Same with this. Some light taps and I can get that in there. So anyway, video here is way too long just to say, try your 1/2 inch sockets, 1/4 inch.